Lovelies, have you ever felt stuck, wishing someone could really show you how to make money, not just by talking about it, but by seeing how to do it? Well, today I'm not just telling you on how to do, how to make. I'm showing you a simple path that anyone ever, with little or no money, can start. I know you can start today. You guys, I'm so overwhelmed. You can see on the screen. I'm overwhelmed by your comments. Help me, please, please help me, please. Almost this one is an overwhelming comment. Plus, in my inbox, people can write, send messages of how I should give them money because I'm talking about money. I guess it's because I'm talking about money. Forgive my voice. Did you know over 60% of millionaires started with less than 10,000 US dollars? I'm talking about 10,000 US dollars. But for you in your case, please put 100 US dollars. And today, with a smartphone or a simple business idea, you can start earning $100 a day if you stay consistent. If I'm talking about $100 per day, I don't mean that you're going to start immediately. There's no business that you're going to start today and you start even getting $50 profit in a day. But here we are. There is that word. If you stay consistent. So guys, this is to remind you, it's a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not a financial guru. I'm just a simple lady, humble, beautiful, that came up to say, no, let me reveal you the secrets. If you know you cannot do our ordinary traditional jobs, our ordinary traditional businesses, you have a smartphone. There are reasons why there are features and benefits of that smartphone that you are handling. If you know the features and benefits of the phone you have, please put it in the comment section. I'm going to give you a mocktail. So many of you guys, you have been messaging me, please help me. I want to start, but I don't know how to start. I hear you, and that's why I'm making this video simple because, like the way I've told you, or like the way the saying goes, if someone keeps giving you fish, or you always big. I'm telling you the truth. The moment I give you every day, even if you say give and I give you, you will always beg. But if someone teaches you how to fish, you will always feed yourself forever. And this is what I always love. Do you think we would not also beg? No. I don't remember when I begged. Nevertheless, if you're begging, this is your last video. You will start also giving out money to other people. Let me take this opportunity to say thank you to my really staunch people who are always there to engage this video, who are always there to push the video. Thank you very much. And above all, I really appreciate individuals who watch these videos and they go ahead and put them into action. What I need you to do, I'm going to give you 2 ways on how to start making money. These ways are very ordinary. They are with minimal efforts. So if you're kind of a person who's always asking how, help me please. We want assistance. Come near. One, I want you I want you to consider these 2 ways. One is online. The second one is business. Let's talk about online. Online, I want you to start with what you have already. And what do you have already? Just sit in your room and look at yourself. What do you have? You have a smartphone and you have a passion. There is none that has no passion. If it is not a passion, it's something that you hate. If it is not something that you hate, it's something that has inflicted pain on you and you don't want other people to face it. Or it's something that it is a testimony. So, step one, pick your passion or interest. When we're talking about passion or interest, we're talking about like cooking, fashion, gaming, motivation, that is advice, funny moments, comedy, and many more. I've even come to see there are some people on some platforms like TikTok that have introduced a niche of rumor mongering, which is commonly known as Lugambo in Ugandan language. So if you can have a niche, but me, I encourage you to have a niche that is long lasting, that is greener. When I'm talking about greener, I mean content that even after 7 years, it will come. If you go to Google and write there, for example, phone, will your niche come? Will your video come up? Will your blog come up? This is what I mean. Such that you should be paid not on seasons, but paid every season. Then step 2, start posting simple content. When I'm talking about simple content, I mean, for example, if you go to TikTok, you go to YouTube, you can use shorts, Instagram, you can use reels. Why do I want you to do this? Because when you're posting simple content in form of reels, if you're in Facebook lover, it means you are going to fetch followers and you're going to fetch also minutes. It will be easier for you to come to monetization so much easier. And also, if you're posting shorts on YouTube, it will attract attention. Yeah, shorts go viral than long videos, and they bring for you the audience. Then the rest, you look for how to make long videos to make sure that your audience is redefined. Let me give you an example. A girl started posting short hair tutorials on TikTok with 0 followers. Today she earns $200 a day from brand deals. I've seen some people, if you know you're not like me, I don't run after deals. I run after something that is moving steadily. I don't want confusion. I don't like things like people are waking you up in the morning that you've delayed to post, you did this because of my brand. No. So if you're someone who wants to start even with with 0 followers, earning, you can go for TikTok, you can go for Facebook, Instagram for brand deals. Let me give you a pro tip or bonus tip here on making money with your online, on phone, with your passion. Use free apps, by the way, because you have that phone. I started earning on paid work. Yes, you can use these free apps, paid work, Swagbucks, or Clickworker to complete task surveys and start earning small cash as you grow your content. What I know, you guys, it is very hectic for someone to tell you that sit down and work, work before you get paid. When you're posting your content, you're working, by the way. So you can club them too as you make content for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Before you get paid, you are being paid by some of the apps. It might be small, but you grow. You know, I'll be giving you an example of how I started. The second important thing you should know here, it is to stay consistent. You can feel my voice, right? I've not been fine because of cough, flu, a bit. But it doesn't, I think I only missed one day before this video because I became so, the medicine made me so weak to the extent I could not even talk. My voice was so down. So stay consistent. There is nothing that should not make you post. That's why I said you have to look for something that is your passion, something that even if I wake up out of bed, okay, I say I'll talk about this. If you have even your first dollar like this from online and you change your mindset, I'm telling you, $1 you withdraw from online completely will change your mindset forever. So go for it. The second business, for us to elevate or for us to go to another stage and live the culture of please help me, how do I do it? I'm not okay. That culture, you can start a business. There are individuals that are following me, but they tell me, Christine, we cannot do this. It's hard for me. It's not my passion. If it's not your passion, go for business. Me, I thank God I'm in all sides. By the way, my first journey was first business. But now you can start a business with low cost, and even it is low cost but with high demand. We call them hustles, others call them hustles, others call them way to go. So what you do, I want you to first identify daily needs around you. What are these daily needs? You guys, do you know there's food, snacks, there are phone accessories, there's second-hand clothes. These are daily needs. So if they are daily needs and you identify them, depending on your location, remember we're talking about low start capital with high demand. These are the necessities that people can't do without. Then the step two, you start small. How do you start small? Even 10 US dollars to 20 US dollars can buy the supplies for chapatis, supplies for popcorn, water bottles, or even airtime scratch cards. You guys, me sometimes I sit down, I'm like, there is no excuse for anybody to be in need. I give you an example of a guy in my area who started selling sambusa outside school with just $15. Within a month, he's making $120 per week as a profit because small daily profits add up fast. And in this, he's investing this $120, convert it to Uganda shillings. That is good money for someone who started with just $10. So he is investing this money into bigger things. At the end of the day, some of you will be asking, like, where did she get money? Where did he get money? He's going underground. No. Let me give you a tip. Focus on repeat buyers. What are repeat buyers? We have schools, we have workers, we have markets. These people are your gold mine. I remember when I started my business of snacks, I had to invest in schools because schools, they have to eat. And if you go to schools, you can monopolize provided you be creative, you be consistent, you be active. Guys, I'm not telling you that you're not going to meet challenges. Challenges are everywhere. Even if they give you bucks of millions of dollars and put it in your house right now, you're going to get challenges of keeping it. Let me tell you, let me give you this final word, you guys, as you will end. Start small, because starting small is not any weakness. No, it's wisdom. Today you can start you can get $5 profit, and tomorrow you get $100 opportunity. Just begin, even if it feels less, but start, and you find yourself having hope of tomorrow than begging, than asking, please help me, and looking here and there for just common necessities. Recently is one time one person I've blocked because he is overwhelming me with messages. People take advantage of this platform. So guys, let me tell you, I don't give out charity. I don't give out free money. I don't, as the way people are asking, they say, I'm told you're giving out donations. No, I'm bringing you platform for you, the platforms people are using to get money. And it can be called free money, but it is not free. Even if it is a platform like Give Directly, you have to put the work in. You have to do applications. So guys, as I end this video and wait for another chapter, I would love you to comment below if you're really interested in starting online or small business. I'll be replying and giving you free tips to our comments, you guys. Thank you very much. Hopefully, this is going to be benefiting you wherever you are. And keep tuned to Market Show. Bye bye.